So today I decided to go to Goodwill across the street from my work. Typically there's nothing there and I just go there to look for other stuff, but today they actually had a bag full of cool stuff. So here is $5 worth of stuff, and let me pull it all out. Alright, so these are the Jada toys. This is the initial D series, missing the wings. Here is some drifting 86 Corollas, and then here's some import racer Celica and Mitsubishi Eclipse. Cool because they have all the stuff in the back. Here's a Drift S14. Here's another Muscle Machines. This was what really caught my eye. This Muscle Machine Toyota MRS and a Hot Wheels H6, and of course just a couple of fire vehicles and a Chrysler Jeep.